Words about the story of how the sun and the moon were made. Accept. Accept. To accept something that is offered is to take it. I accepted the girl's very nice gift. Arrange. Arrange. To arrange things is to put them in the right place. Please arrange the bowling pins in order so we can play. Attend. Attend. To attend something is to go to it. My sister and I attend the same school. Balance. Balance. To balance something is to keep it from falling. We saw an elephant balance itself on a ball. Contrast. Contrast. A contrast is the sharp difference between two things. The contrast between my parents is very noticeable. Encourage. Encourage. To encourage someone is to make them want to do something. My football coach will encourage us when we are losing. Familiar. Familiar. If someone or something is familiar to you, you know them well. The two friends were very familiar with each other. Grab. Grab. To grab is to take a hold of someone or something suddenly. I grabbed a pear from the tree. Hang. Hang. To hang something is to keep it above the ground. I drew a picture of my family, and my mother hung it on the wall. Huge. Huge. If something is huge, it is very big. At work, my father drives a huge truck. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.